Hi everyone, this is Cherie from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop, and today I'm working with a Doodlebug Essentials kit that can be found on the site. I just chose 4 simple colors of patterned paper. There's several 12 by 12 double-sided patterned cardstock in the kit, along with brads, stickers, sticker letters, ribbon, everything that you would need to create a layout or pieces like I did for a card, or just something you want to add to one of your layouts that's already done. And I cut out each letter just in a different pattern and put it on caramel cardstock from American Crafts. And I did apply it with the art glitter glue, each letter, and I went around each letter and the actual base with Mementos peanut brittle just to give it some definition. Up above the title, you'll see that little flower with the gem in the middle. That's one of the Braddies I broke the prongs off of and put a zot in the middle of, so that way I could just stick it right onto the bottom of the title like I did there. Any questions? Feel free to ask, but have a nice day.